Conquer your fear of public speaking in 60 minutes. Yes, you can deliver speeches and presentations that captivate your audience and leave them wanting more. And what's more, you'll even enjoy it. Look, do you get nervous at the thought of speaking in public in front of a crowded room, up on stage, or at an outside event? You may feel comfortable talking to someone one-on-one, but when it comes to public speaking, you feel anxious and uncomfortable at the thought of standing in front of a group of people and delivering a speech or a presentation. Well, look, don't worry, this is quite normal, but if you want to deliver the best speech or presentation that you can, you need to prepare yourself and follow a few simple steps that will make you feel calm, clear-headed, and confident. This way, you won't be worrying about what you have to say, stressing if you make mistakes, or what other people will think of you. You'll just be focused on delivering your message confidently and connecting with your audience in a way that makes them listen to your every word and leave them feeling impressed with how you presented yourself and how memorable your speech or presentation was. If you're looking to improve your public speaking for an upcoming event, then it's likely that you need as many helpful tips and techniques in as short a time as possible, right? And that's why I've created this course for you. You won't need to spend days or even weeks to go through this course. You can go through this entire course within just 60 minutes and download a checklist of 100 amazing, very well-researched public speaking tips that you can easily refer to anytime you like. You'll be amazed at how confident you will feel, and you'll actually look forward to speaking in public rather than fearing it. So if you're ready, click the button now to get started, and I'll see you on the inside.